Before you skip this video, take a close look at this vehicle. It might seem like a futuristic motorcycle at first, but it's actually something far more incredible. This is a fully functional camper tricycle, a tiny home on 3 wheels that's changing the way people travel. While most of us spend years saving for a house or paying rent every month, some people are living a completely different life. Their home fits into a parking space, follows them wherever they go, and lets them wake up to a brand new view every single morning. Sounds unbelievable? Wait until you see what's hidden inside. The first thing that makes this camper unforgettable is its appearance. It doesn't look like a traditional RV, and that's exactly why it attracts attention everywhere it goes. The body is sleek, futuristic, and incredibly aerodynamic. Sharp LED headlights, smooth body panels, and the unique 3-wheel setup make it look like something that belongs 20 years in the future. People don't just notice it, they chase after it. Drivers slow down to record videos. Travelers gather around it at gas stations. Campers stop what they're doing just to ask questions. And the most common question is always the same. Can someone actually live inside this? The answer is yes. Not only can someone live inside it, but many people are choosing this lifestyle because it offers something that a traditional house never can. Complete freedom. Think about how much space most homes waste. Empty guest rooms. And used hallways. Large garages filled with things nobody touches for years. This camper takes the opposite approach. Instead of giving you more space, it gives you smarter space. Every single inch has a purpose. Nothing exists without adding value. The exterior alone tells you that this isn't an ordinary vehicle. Its lightweight construction helps improve fuel efficiency while making the camper easier to drive than a traditional RV. Because it's compact, it fits comfortably into places where large motorhomes simply cannot go. Narrow mountain roads. Historic villages. Hidden beaches. Forest trails. Small city streets. Places that most campers can only dream about visiting become part of your everyday journey. Large panoramic windows stretch along the sides, making the outside scenery feel like part of the interior. Whether you're parked beside a lake, overlooking the ocean, or surrounded by forests, nature is always just outside your window. Now let's step inside. This is where almost everyone's expectations change. From the outside, it looks small. Inside, it feels incredibly well designed. The cabin has been built using one simple philosophy. Every object should perform more than one job. The seating area is a perfect example. During the morning, it's your breakfast table. In the afternoon, it becomes your office. Later, it's your living room. And when the sun goes down, it transforms into a surprisingly comfortable bed. One space. For different purposes. That's the kind of intelligent engineering that makes tiny living possible. The bed itself provides enough room for a relaxing night's sleep. Soft cushions, proper insulation, and efficient ventilation help create an environment that's both comfortable and quiet. Imagine falling asleep while listening to waves crashing against the shore. Or waking up surrounded by snow-covered mountains instead of noisy traffic. Those aren't vacation memories anymore. They become your everyday routine. Storage is another area where this camper feels almost magical. At first, you wonder where anything could possibly fit. Then you start discovering hidden compartments everywhere. Storage beneath the seats. Cabinets built into the ceiling. Shelves inside the walls. Drawers under the bed. Every available inch has been transformed into useful storage. Clothing. Cooking supplies. Camping equipment. Camera gear. Electronics. Food. Everything has its own place.